Hi, I'm Kelly with the Muncie Public Library, and today we're going to be learning about some paper structures. So all you're going to need for this is some paper, some tape, and then something heavy. I'm using books. So paper just kind of falls down when you put any stress on it, right? Or even just let it go. So we're going to try to make some paper that can actually stand up and hold something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this newspaper and I'm going to roll it up. And then I'm going to tape it so that it stays. All right, so now we have this, and that's a lot stronger, but if you press too hard, it cracks. What do you think would happen if we add another? Oh, that's even stronger. Still cracking a bit. So let's look at more legs here, just like a chair. So we have more legs, and I'm pushing down. Doesn't seem to be falling. I think this could hold something. Let's see what we can make to try to hold up a book here. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to tape one roll to the other here. Okay, yeah. Then I'm going to take this one, tape it here as well. Okay, so we have one here. See, all right. I think this is working more. Right. All right, so I have tape holding it together here. Then I'm going to add a leg here. Let's see if this works. All right, make sure this is all secured. All right. Let's see if it can hold a book. Oh, it's falling over. I wonder how we can get this to not fall over. What if I added something to the legs to make it more stable because they're connected to each other, so they won't want to fall apart. Okay, so I have that one with that one. And then let's try with this one. That's on the side. I want it here. No. Right. I think I need one more for right there. Right. Then let's do all right. Now, let's see if this holds it up any better. And it looks like it is holding up the book. So at home, you can try to build a paper structure like this, or see if you can make this paper structure even better. And then see how much weight it can hold. Thank you so much for joining me in creating some paper structures. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out the Muncie Public Library webpage for some more. Bye!